Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by collecting the essentials: VIN, registration, and any linked email or phone. Once done, pick where to search: manufacturer portal, dealership service portal, or national vehicle record. Make sure to use the official site to avoid scams and have a payment method ready for paid reports. Begin by entering the VIN exactly. Small typos break search. After submitting, watch for verification codes to the listed contact so you can proceed without delay. You enter the VIN and then refine results with date ranges or service type filters to avoid noise. Once results load, cross-check mileage and service dates against your log or odometer. This confirms authenticity. If workshops are listed, note shop names and technician notes. Download any available PDFs or use the portal's export function. Otherwise, take clear screenshots. Keep a list of gaps or suspicious entries to query the provider or the dealership later. You finish by exporting the full history and saving it to cloud storage, then email a copy to yourself for redundancy. If records are missing or look incorrect, contact the listed dealer or the manufacturer's support with VIN and proof of ownership to request corrections. If the portal blocks you, clear browser cache, try an incognito window, or switch devices. If that fails, submit an official data request form. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify the VIN format and leading zeros before blaming the system.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.